It has been a while, my friends. Let me just start by saying I hope that you are safe in this disastrous 2020. It is crazy out there. Uh, Guys, as you can see, I built my own little makeshift home gym with some Amazon and Facebook market weights and stuff. I'm trying to do some type of lifting, something to stay fit, something to keep the old age away. This video is mostly to give you guys an update of what I've been doing. I've been doing these type of videos, starting my own media company, doing a lot of free work to get recognized. When it's images to drone work to video work to events to being flown out to Texas to record fan-made Power Rangers shoots. It's been crazy. I'm just gonna try and stay a little bit more active now on the channel with all that's been going on. I'm gonna try and build my little home gym a little bit more. I'm gonna try and show what I've been doing. I'm a little busy with all the work that I'm doing now, but I want to try and record a couple more of the fitness adventures that I'll be going through, and some of the work. So, how have you guys been? Go ahead and show me in the comment what's going on in your 2020. And it's not even over yet. 2020 is still going. This is it's bad news after bad news, and it's been good too, but shit, we've lost a lot during 2020. Our favorite celebrities, a lot of political bullshit, but most importantly, I'm gonna try and record once a week something, whether it's leg day or chest day or some new type of equipment that I'm able to afford if Facebook market is willing. But yeah, this is my life right now. A lot of media, a lot of recording, a lot of droning, electric skateboarding, and trying to work out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe for more.